In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11E, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on this section called Accounts and Synch. Then tap on Google under Preferred Servers and select Google Password Manager. Now to add a password, hit Add Password at the top and input all of those informations. If you can't see it though, that means that you never added a password before. To make this option visible, you need at least one password added, so to fix it, hit Settings on the left. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Log in to any app or a website that requires an account and wait for Google Password Manager pop-up. When you see it, hit Save at the bottom right corner, and this way your password will appear here. When you're done, you can add any other one manually by hitting Add Password. So let's do it now. At the top, type in any website, or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!